Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I have got not one, but two beauty bags from Boots. One I bought myself, and this one will be going up for a giveaway over on Instagram. So if you're not already following me over there, then you'll find a link to it down below. It's Diaryofabeautygeek, easy to find, but I'll pop a direct link down there as well. So yeah, so that'll be going up in the next day or two. But Boots kindly sent one to me as well, which is what I'm unboxing now. It costs £35. It's still available on their website, and it is worth around £140. It contains 9 beauty products, 2 of which are full size. I'll pop a link to this one, which is the Bon Voyage travel mini set. I'll pop a link to it down below. Plus I'll pop a link to the Boots beauty box page where you can see lots of different beauty boxes that are still available. So you're welcome to take a look down there, and you'll see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites. So yeah, it's down there if you want to look. So yeah, so let's get on showing you then what's inside this one. So it all comes in this clear bag, which is quite cool, a nice size, a really great travel size. I just realized this is huge. This handle is ginormous. Handy to grab. But yeah, we're seeing a lot of these travel beauty bags at the minute, which is great. I love them. Usually packed full of products that are easy to take away with you if you're going away for a night or a weekend or holiday, whatever. I haven't had a really good look in this one yet. I can see a few familiars. Let's start off then with one item I've never tried before. This is Mediheal. This is Madecassoside. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Soothing Blemish Care Cream by Mediheal. It's a blemish pad, day and night. There's 14 pads there. Yeah. So there's little pads. I'm assuming you could probably buy a pot like that, you know, like you normally get with other type of pads. Maybe this is like a little sample set or a little mini one. Daily treatment pad that helps improve blemishes from external factors and provides smooth, glowing skin. I don't suffer from acne anymore. I would if I came off medication, but medication is keeping it under control. So no, I'll be passing it on probably to my daughter. Then we've got a really nice mascara. This is by Huda Beauty, and this is one coat. Wow. So it's one brush, one dip, one coat. Extra volumizing and lifting mascara. Yeah, I've got this already, and it is a nice one. A nice wand to get right in there. Can you see it's a little bit curvy? So a nice one to get right in there and grab the lashes and lift. Yeah, it's a nice one. There's that. Then we've got Kingsley, and this is Swimcap. Shields hair from chlorinated and salt water. It's a water-resistant mask, 100 ml. So you apply this to your hair, especially if you've got longer hair. Tie it back in a bun, then you put this on top first. So it's just to protect your hair if you're going in and out of the water. Really, really handy in the summer months. Then we've got a perfume by Floral, Wonderland Peony, Eau de Perfume, 10 ml there. As always, a beautiful bottle. We see a lot of Floral perfumes in different beauty boxes, so I have tried a few over the years. I think this is a little bit too sweet, I think. Yeah, I don't really go for overly sweet perfumes. I love a fruity floral, musky, vanilla-y. This smells beautiful, but it's too sweet for me. But my daughter actually likes this one. She loves sweetie perfumes, more sweet type perfumes. So I'll pass it on to her as well. Next, we've got a little bottle of Nuxe Huile Prodigieuse. And this is Floral. There's 10 ml here, and it's a multi-purpose oil for face, body and hair. And you can see it's shimmery. This is really, really pretty. This looks more rose colour as opposed to gold shimmer. It's because it's the floral one, isn't it? Can you see? You've got a slight tint there, but when you blend it all in, it just leaves your skin gleaming, but not overly like metallic-y or anything. It's really pretty. It is really, really pretty. I love this oil, and it feels amazing on the skin. And even though I've made a mistake of applying it to the hand where I applied the Floral, I can smell it, and I can smell like the neroli coming through it, I think anyway. But yeah, it's the Floral one. So more of a rose goldy shimmer as opposed to a golden shimmer. Anyway, next we got First Aid Beauty, and this is KP Bumper Razor Body Scrub with 10% AHA, safe for sensitive skins, and this is in Fresh Peach. It's 56.7 grams there. If you're prepping your body for the summer, if you've got like lumpy, hard skin on your arms, your thighs or anything, then this is really, really good. And yeah, again, my daughter really likes this. I think this bag is going to be mainly for her. I think so, because she also loves this as well. I like this one. This is Sol de Janeiro, Cheirosa 59, a perfume mist, and 30 mils there. With vanilla orchid, sugared violet, and sheer sandalwood. Yeah, it's a really nice scent. But I'm going to save that for her. And then we got a moisturizer, which I absolutely love. This is Bobbi Brown Face Base. It's a primer and moisturizer in one. It has the most gorgeous lemony scent to it. And we've got here 15 mils. So, so good. And I love it that I've got a little size like this because it is handy to take away from me because I know my skin loves it too. Look how thick it is. But it doesn't feel thick and gloopy on the skin. Can you see? Look, look. Oh, it's like a really nice body cream, you know. But when you blend it all in, it feels so nice. It doesn't feel like I've got a really big heavy cream on, like with some other creams. Yeah, it's nice. It's absorbed nicely into skin. Yeah, I just love that smell. So nice. And then lastly, we've got Fenty Beauty, and this is Glass Bomb Stick. High Shine Gloss Stick in shade Tulip Kiss. There. That's what it looks like. I think I've had this before. It rings a bell, the colour I mean. It's a really nice colour, isn't it? And it's nude. Let's try a little bit there. It's a very glossy lipstick. It says, twist like a lipstick, shines like a gloss, condition and feel, non-sticky formula. And there you go, those are all the items inside the New Boots Travel Minis there, dear. So we've got a glossy lipstick from Fenty Beauty. We've got a Bobbi Brown moisturiser. We've got a body scrub by First Aid Beauty. We've got a Cheirosa 59 fragrance by Sol de Janeiro. We've got a Nuxe dry hair and body oil. We've got Mediheal Blemish Patches. Huda Beauty One Coat Mascara. Floral Street Wonderland Peony Perfume, and Swimcap by Kingsley. And they all come in this bag. So yeah, as always, let me know your thoughts. What do you think of it? And if you want to try a hand at winning one, then look out for my giveaway on Instagram very soon. But yeah, I'd love to hear what you think of it. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Take care.